up, Slay Bees? It's CC Me Slay, and I am back with another video. Keep on watching. So today I am going to be using the new Norvina Volume 4 palette. This is what it looks like in the inside. It is so beautiful. Oh my god. And I also want to use, I don't know which shades I'm gonna use yet, but this is how, oops. This is what the inside looks like. So only the top has a lid that shuts. So as you can see, my brows are already done. I like to do my brows off cam because I do take quite long doing my brows. I haven't mastered the 5-minute, 10-minute brows because I am such a perfectionist. So I like to get them how I want them for the look. For my brows, I did use the ABH Dip Brow Pomade. And if you guys want an updated version of how I do my brows, make sure you comment down below and let me know. So for the concealer underneath my brows, I use the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Concealer in C13. This is what it looks like. Blending this concealer all over the lid. As you can see, it is super smooth, not cakey, not patchy, not transparent. Honey, it is all the way there. This is my go-to concealer and has been for a while, honestly. I do have other concealers and I have tried other concealers, but I just don't like the way they sit. So yes. I think that looks good. How y'all feeling that color? To blend that out. Ooh, yes, girl. Oh, that's gonna be pretty, pretty. I will be using the Morphe M224 brush. All right. I think that looks good. Okay, now I'm gonna go back in with, I'm sorry, I never told you guys the brush number, M431 by Morphe. Go back in with shade E4. Now what I'm doing right here, guys, is blending out this harsh line from the concealer. All right, that looks sweet. And next I'm gonna take this brush, which is the Morphe M506, 506 small tapered blending brush. And I'm gonna go in with that pink again that I used to blend out shade E4. I'm lightly dabbing this into the shade. All right, and lastly, I am gonna go in with, let's just pinken this out. I'm gonna use the Morphe X Jeffree Star JS11 brush. And I am going to use the shade A2. All right, and I'm gonna go back in a little bit with this C2 shade just to add that hot pink back. And now I am going to add one of these colors. Which color you think will suit this look best? Comment down below, guys. By the time you choose, I done already chose one, but you know, I like y'all input, right? So let me know. I kind of want to do this purple, but I kind of want to do the white. So I think I am gonna do the white. I'm in a debate. Oh my God, I don't know. I don't know what color. Cute. I'm feeling this. Now that I've done this eye, I am going to do this eye. Now that I have done both eyes, I haven't debated whether I wanted to do a wing liner or a half wing liner, half liner. And that is my wing liner. Now I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side, and then we're gonna get to lashes. We got both wings flying away, honey. We have all of these ABH lashes, and I don't know which one to choose. All right, so we're gonna go in with Style Georgina. Now we just have to complete my full face, and it's a look. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I'm gonna show you guys what I have on. This is a Fashion Nova top, just a closed back. And I also have on a Fashion Nova jeans. These are called Mama jeans, I believe. Super comfy, and I love it. So if you guys approve of this, make sure you comment down below and let me know how this look turned out and if it looks cute with the pink lips and also my little baby buns. I will be doing a makeup giveaway, guys. It will be held on this page, but there are rules you must follow. Please look for the rules down in the description of this video. And once you guys have followed all the rules, comment done underneath this video so I know that you have followed all the directions. Make sure you guys follow the rules if you want to be a part of this makeup giveaway. Also guys, I do upload videos, mini makeup videos, tutorials on my TikTok. So make sure you follow me on TikTok. It'll be here. Some of my latest videos. Your girl is trying to come up, so make sure you go over there and shoot a follow. It's been fun, guys. It's been real. I appreciate all the love. Thank you for coming and watching my video today, and I'll see you guys later.